Mickey Mouse walked into Goofy's house and immediately wrinkled his nose at the strong smell of amyl nitrite that filled the air. "Goofy, what's that smell?" he asked, looking around the room for the source of the odor. "Oh, just cleaning my VHS collection," Goofy replied nonchalantly, a sly grin on his face. Mickey raised an eyebrow. "VHS collection? You don't have a VHS collection, Goofy!" he pointed out. Goofy's grin faltered for a moment before he quickly recovered. "Oh well, I was thinking about starting one," he said, trying to sound casual. Mickey wasn't buying it. He knew that Goofy was hiding something, and he had a pretty good idea what it was. "Goofy, is that amyl nitrite I smell?" he asked, crossing his arms over his chest. Goofy hesitated for a moment before finally admitting, "Yeah, it is. I've been using it to, enhance my sexual experiences." "What the fuck?" he said, his cheeks turning red with embarrassment. Mickey couldn't believe what he was hearing. Goofy had always seemed like such a level-headed and responsible individual, and he couldn't understand why he would turn to recreational drugs to enhance his sexual experiences. "Goofy, that's not safe," Mickey said, concern etched on his face. "You could hurt yourself or someone else if you're not careful." Goofy shrugged, still looking sheepish. I know, but it's just so much fun," he said, trying to defend his actions. Mickey sighed. Knowing that there was nothing he could say or do to change Goofy's mind, he decided to drop the subject for now, but he had made a mental note to keep an eye on his friend and make sure that he wasn't putting himself in danger. Over the next few weeks, Mickey noticed that Goofy seemed to be more and more reckless, taking bigger and bigger risks when it came to his use of amyl nitrite. He started to worry that Goofy was becoming addicted to the drug, and he knew that he had to do something before it was too late. One day, Mickey decided to confront Goofy about his drug use. "Goofy, we need to talk," he said, sitting down next to his friend. Goofy looked up at Mickey, a guilty expression on his face. He knew that he had been caught, and he knew that he couldn't deny it anymore. "I know, Mickey, I'm sorry," he said, hanging his head in shame. Mickey put a comforting arm around Goofy's shoulder. "It's okay, buddy. I'm here for you," he said, trying to reassure his friend. Over the next few months, Mickey helped Goofy to get the help he needed to overcome his addiction to amyl nitrite. It wasn't easy. There were times when Goofy wanted to give up, but with Mickey's support and encouragement, he was able to kick the habit and get his life back on track. In the end, Mickey was glad that he had been there for Goofy when he needed him the most. He knew that he couldn't have done it alone, and he was grateful to have such a good friend by his side. As Goofy's addiction faded away, so did the lies that covered it. He was honest with Mickey and,